If you went to Meta AI to make video, you might be thinking Meta shut down video generation. That's not true at all. Meta didn't remove it, they replaced it with something even more powerful. Their brand new AI video generator, okay? Today, for login to consistent characters to watermark-free downloads, everything step by step. Learn it once and you'll never need another tutorial, okay? So first, head over to google.com and type vibes.ai. This is the first link that comes up. Open it in new tab. Open this link in new tab. Once this website is open, you can log in using Facebook, Instagram, or your email address. Okay. Once you are logged in, click on create new. Once you are logged in, this is the interface that will open up. Click on advanced and select the video quality. It can be 480 or 720. Select 720. Now, if you want a video or an image, you can select. Let's say I want an image. Let me type something here. As you can see, I've got 4 outputs. The third one looks the best to me, so I'll pick this one. Okay, you can choose whichever you want. There are several options below. Now, lip syncing is a little, since this project is in beta, this is not working very well. You can add music. If you pick music, Meta will auto generate the animation to match the beat. Okay, while this is generating, now as you can see, this generation has finished. In the meanwhile, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, as you can see, the animation came out pretty smooth. Once a video is generated, another useful option is extend. You can auto extend or you can do manual extend. If you want to continue with the same scene, click on auto extend. Meta will generate the next scene starting from the last frame of your video. Now, as you can see, the video has been extended. Let's go back because there's one more great feature to cover. Click first frame. Let me just select any scene from this. Okay, let's say I want to choose this one. Add to prompt. Oh. To ladder. Now it will generate 4 different variations. Okay. Now if you want character consistency, here's the catch. If you want to generate a new scene every time, the characters often change. That happens. Okay. Now let's fix that. Go to ingredients, click character. Okay, select your character. Let's say my character is maybe this guy. Maybe this guy. Okay, add to prompt. Now I can just click on monkey jumping from tree to swimming pool. As you can see, it will generate 4 different variations with characters being consistent. Now you will get 4 outputs again, and this time character stays consistent, almost identical. There might be small changes, but overall consistency is really solid. You can reuse the same characters across different prompts. The story can change, the scene can change, but the character stays the same, like just like Google Flow. Okay, now here's one more thing, like this is a 9:16 format. Say you want the landscape format, okay, that is like 16:9. What you do then? Okay, first upload any image. Okay, let's just say image that is 16:9. Let me just select. If you have uploaded any image that is like 16:9, maybe this one. Add to prompt. Like this, I already uploaded. Now just click on them. Now click on manual animate and type what you want. Removing his goggles and running and dancing. Maybe. Now the video that will generate will be in 16:9 ratio. Okay, so there's that. Now there's one more thing about watermark-free download. Downloading without watermark, right? If you download directly from here, your video will have a watermark on it, but there's an easy workaround. Okay, let me just show it to you. As you can see, this last animation, you'll have to make more iterations of it, but that's the point. Okay, now if you want to download this without watermark, just head back. look at whichever video you want to download. Okay, say this video, just right click on it and click on copy video address. Okay, open it in new tab and paste. This is what you will get. Okay, a video for some reason is not showing, it is showing right now. Now just click on the three dots and click on download. This way you will be able to download the video without watermark. Now, if this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, and if you want to learn how to generate free and unlimited videos with VO3, please check out my upcoming tutorials. Thank you.